Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we shall be looking at the basics of combining like terms in algebra, and this video is specifically for the year 8s. So one way to visualize this concept is to forget about x's and y's and use more familiar variables. So let's say you had 3 oranges, added to that you also have 7 strawberries and another 4 oranges. So we know that that would equal 7 oranges and 7 strawberries. So the reason behind why we know this is because we can break down these larger numbers into its smaller component parts. So for example, we know that 3 oranges is equal to 1 orange plus 1 orange plus 1 orange. Okay, so now let's bring it back to algebra. So let's say you had 3x plus 7y plus 4x. It's the exact same idea as the earlier equation, but instead of fruits, we're actually using x's and y's and numerical variables. So if you had 3x plus 7y plus 4x, we know, like the fruit, it's equal to 7x plus 7y. And we know this because we're combining like terms. We're combining the x's and we're combining the y's, but separately. And again, we can break these larger numbers down even further like we did with the fruit. And what I like to do, just to make it easier for myself, is highlight all the like terms in one colour and highlight the other like terms in another, just so I can visually see which like terms belong together and which don't. Okay, so let's look at a harder example and implement what we've just learned. So let's imagine we had 3x plus 4y minus 7x plus 14x minus 15y plus x squared minus 15x squared. So I encourage you now to pause the video and give it a go by yourself. Okay, so I hope you've attempted the question, and now let's see if you're right. So I'm going to start off with just highlighting all the like terms. So I know that 3x minus 7x and plus 14x are all one term, so I'm going to colour them in blue. I'll do the same for y's in yellow and x squares in green. So then I like to break the question down into different sections. So let's start off with the x's and combine them. So we have 3x minus 7x plus 14x. So we know minus 7x plus 14x is just 7x. So 3x plus 7x is equal to 10x. Then for the second part will be 4y minus 15y, which we know is minus 11y. And lastly, x squared minus 15x squared. So we remember x squared is equal to 1x squared. So again, that's 11x squared. So that all simplifies to then 10x minus 11y minus 11x squared. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll respond. And don't forget to watch our advanced combining like terms video. Bye.